the Cool Teacher back again, back with another video. Transversal on the screen, geometry on deck. This is low-key a remix, I guess, or premix to what I did. Basically, I did the vertical angle, but I did the transversal horizontal style, but I wanted to give it to you regular style just in case that might have been a little too much for you. So this is, I guess, the remix, premix, I don't know what to call it, but it's the same thing. I'm gonna do the exact same thing, but I'm doing it with the transversal basically in the regular way that you usually see it. I just wanted to do it that way because, like always, I tell you guys, transversals won't always be horizontal like this. So just trying to give y'all some different looks. So once again, vertical angles. Vertical angles, for one, here are my angles. Wait, yeah, snap. Here are my angles, right? Angle, 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 angle. Okay. When vertical angles, those are angles that touch at the nose or face each other. That's what I like to say. It's not the official definition, but it's my definition. It's what I rock with. So it's angles that touch at the nose or face each other. So we're gonna go ahead and continue to use the same degrees that we've been using for all the other videos. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this one. 115 degrees, right? Now if we look at this angle, what makes this angle? The angle goes like this, right? So what's the other angle in this group of angles that faces that one? This is next to it. This is next to it too, but this angle right here is what is facing it or touching it at the nose. Okay, you can kind of like do these shapes and kind of make that. If it makes an X, then you're good. Okay, because if I do this, that's not an X. Okay, so this is vertical to it, so this will be the other congruent angle. And just like the previous video, this will be an angle being at 65 degrees. This angle is like this. What's the other angle that touches at the nose or faces it? It's going to be that one right there. And as you can see, that still makes an X. So if it makes an X, you good money if you're tracing over the angles. So those are the vertical angles there. And just like here, I'm going to start with this one. In this group, 115 degrees. What faces this? This will also face it at 115 degrees. Because if you look, this angle is like this. This angle is like this. They touch at the nose or they face each other. Okay? And last but not least, my last set of vertical angles will be like this. These are also 65 degrees. And sheesh, that don't even look like a 5. Let me fix this real quick. 65 degrees. And remember, because this angle is like this angle is like this, they touch at the nose or once again face each other. Now you're probably like, this looks a lot like the corresponding angles video. If you look at the corresponding angles video, the colors that match up in the angle groups are different. Yes, these are angle relationships, so there are going to be a lot of angles that have different relationships or share relationships. That's cool. But if you're asked a specific question about this angle vertical to this angle, you have to make sure you're picking the right ones. Okay, so this is what vertical angle relationships look like. Once again, this is part 2, the remix, premix, I don't care what you want to call it, but this has my transversal set up horizontally like my other videos. All right, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe if you like the channel. Drop a comment if you have any other questions, or if you just want to say thanks, this helped me a lot, good job, I'll take that too. Other than that, this is the Cool Teacher, and I'm out.